Okay, short review of the Etnies Marana and the S Swift 1.5 and a comparison. So I wanted some skate shoes that have this protection in front, because I don't really skate. I mean, I used to longboard and I use the Marana for longboarding as well, meaning like actual sliding and stuff downhill, but mostly for BMX. And I do this kind of trick where I drag my foot like this on the pavement, which sometimes is smoother, sometimes not so smooth, and I need some protection in here in the front. And the Etnies Marana I've had for several months. I mean, they I guess could last longer, but I don't know how other skate shoes would last, but they held up quite good. These are like a deer suede or something like that. This is the majority of the material that is used. I mean, most of their models are like this. They have a vegan version as well, but I couldn't find it locally. These have the vegan suede, and these have been used for maybe a month. I mean, something like that. And first of all, when you see them online, they seem to have a similar protection in the front, especially that maybe you don't know, but S is, at least at first, was supposed to be like the more advanced, technologically advanced version of Etnies. The E in S is from Etnies, and the S, I forgot to, I mean, you can search the history of them, but anyway. But these are definitely, they feel like cheaper. They look nice. I have actually another one that is made out of pig suede, but I don't have it here. Anyway, this is the vegan version, as I was saying. But the thing is that on both, this protection is not really a protection. It's more like a paint. So this has actually a membrane that is quite tough. It also makes this kind of waves, which is, well, not so great in my opinion. So that's a minus, but this actually holds up to quite a lot. And in here, I mean, even if it were a real suede, maybe it wouldn't have this crack, but if you scrape this part that is supposed to be a protection, it really goes away really quickly. So yeah, I actually find this to be false advertisement. The sole, the Etnies have the Michelin one. These ones have some of their own brand. This is fine, but this is a bit stiffer at first, at least. Seems, I think, a bit grippier, this one, but it doesn't hold up like a ton of time. At least to me, it didn't give me the impression that these are super durable at the sole, especially because in BMX, most people, including myself, don't ride brakes and they use their foot to brake. And yeah, I mean, it doesn't go quickly either, but I didn't leave me with the impression, oh my god, this really hold up so well and I can use them for a year or something. Anyway, so this is the short review. So yeah, I would advise you to get the Marana. Maybe I can get them in the vegan version and see if they hold up as well as these ones, or at least similar, because they should have the same protection in here on the front, and this is what would take most of the abuse of scraping on the floor. I think this is about it. Hope you found it useful. That's about it. Bye.